Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Dipakshi and I create DIY videos related to fashion, jewelry, accessories and other craft items. So usually I share DIY or cartoons content on my channel, but this time I'm sharing a very different video in which I have changed a canvas. How I did it and what it is about. To know it, please watch the video. Well, banana is a really healthy option to go with. But this time I have sprinkled some creativity on it. Let's see what will turn out. Relaxing on banana is not a bad idea, I guess. Let's talk about my favorite snack, these super delicious cheeselings. What I can do with them? Well, just wait and watch. Yes, you saw it right. I just created my own cheeselings tree. Now I can have them whenever I want to. I remember once my teacher said throwing a trash is good because it keeps your environment clean. But I think throwing it in a stylish way is even better because this time I did something like that. Well, I just turned this waste tissue trash into a fur coat of this fashionable lady. Scissor is very useful stationery. What? You don't believe me? Then just hold on for a second. Have you ever thought that a small scissor can create such a big picture? Well, I just tried my best. Don't throw banana peel like that. Instead, throw it in a style. How? Well, we'll help you with that. Hurry, banana peel is getting late for the office. Busy fruit, you know. Sharpen pencil is a good idea. But what about pencil trash? Let's see what magic we can do with this one. Well, giving stylish look with that pencil trash to bald person is a really good idea, I think. Trust me, I can't survive without my earphones, but this time they help me in something else as well.
modern problems need modern solutions. Those days are gone when Rapunzel uses her hair to pull her prince. This is 21st century and technology have solution to almost everything.
I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then do let me know in the comment section below whether you want to see such more videos or not. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell us about your experience in the comment section below. Thank you.